Hello and welcome back. Today's recipe is a gravy, Verkadalai Kuzhambu Groundnut Gravy. This is a simple, tasty and tangy preparation and goes well with hot rice. Here are the ingredients and this is the method of preparation. Let's get started. For the gravy, take 2.5 cups of groundnut. This will be 500 grams. These are red skin groundnuts. There are colors varying from light brown to deep red and all of them are highly nutritious. Wash the groundnuts and soak them in water for 7 to 8 hours or overnight. For the rice, take 2 cups of rice. Wash the rice. The variety of rice used here is Chinna Ponni. It is a variety of Ponni rice which is predominantly found in Tamil Nadu. Ponni rice is medium grained. This is a small grained version of the same. The one used here is single polished. Strain the water used to wash the rice, and this water can be used to water the plants. Soak the rice in 6 cups of water for 10 minutes. The soaking time depends on the variety of rice used, and since this is a small grained rice, soaking time is less. Groundnuts are rich in protein and a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, magnesium, folate, to name a few. They help in improving heart health. Groundnuts are fiber rich, so they help you feel full for a long time, thus aiding in weight loss. Cook the soaked groundnuts until soft. Take a big lemon-sized tamarind, soak it in water and set aside. Take 4 medium-sized onions and chop them fine. Squeeze the tamarind and take the extract. Switch on the stove. And keep the vessel for boiling the rice. Bronze vessels have been used traditionally for cooking rice and are best to cook and eat in. Take 2.5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add 1.5 teaspoon of urad dal. The oil that I've used here is cold pressed sesame oil, and urad dal is used with the skin. Saute until the urad dal turns light brown. Add the chopped onions. Add the curry leaves. and fry the onions until they turn translucent. Once they turn translucent, add the sambar powder. I am using 4 teaspoons of sambar powder here. It can be added according to taste and according to the spice levels of the powder that you have. Fry until the raw smell from the sambar powder goes. Now the groundnuts are well cooked and soft. Add the groundnuts along with the water to the onion mixture. Add some more water if required. Add tamarind water and salt as per taste. Let it boil until you get the required consistency. Now the water has started boiling. Stir the rice. Reduce the heat and close it partially with a lid. This is to ensure that the water does not boil and spill over. Now the rice is almost done. You can see that a little bit of water is still left. At this point, you can switch off the stove and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Our meal is ready to serve. Add some hot rice. Add Verkadalai Kuzhambu or gravy to that. Add ghee as per taste. Can be had with papad or vattal rice crackers. Our meal is ready now. What is your favorite gravy to have with rice? Do drop a comment below. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.